Have you ever wished for something so badly it kept you up at night? Maybe it's a new job, a loving partner, more money, or just feeling more peaceful and happy. These wishes feel so real, almost like you can touch them, but they seem just out of reach. But what if I told you that making these wishes come true might be easier than you think, even happening overnight? To understand this, we need to understand what a wish really is. It's not just a quick thought or a passing feeling. It's a deep longing, a strong desire for something more in life. It's what gets us excited, gives us goals, and helps us move forward. Wishes have a lot of power and can change our lives in amazing ways. But sometimes it's hard to deal with our wishes. We might not feel good enough to get what we want. We might be scared of failing, being rejected, or trying something new. Some people even tell us that our wishes are selfish or silly. These things can make it difficult to reach our dreams and leave us feeling stuck. The good thing is, you have the power to change this. You can use your strong wishes to create the life you want. It starts with understanding that wishes are not bad. They're actually your friends. They're like a compass, showing you the way to happiness. They're a bright light that helps you see the path to feeling good about yourself. Think of your wish as a seed planted deep inside you. This seed has the plan for your perfect life, the chance for you to grow and change. But just like a real seed, it needs the right things to grow. It needs good soil, plenty of sunshine, and someone to take care of it. When it comes to making your wishes come true, those things are your thoughts, what you believe in, and the things you do. By understanding how powerful wishes are and thinking positively about them, you get ready to make your dreams happen. You open yourself up to all the good things life can give you. You start to see that you're not just watching life happen, you're helping to create the life you want. Now, let's dive into the science behind turning wishes into reality. You might be surprised to learn that it's not just wishful thinking. There's actual science that backs it up. It's like a hidden rule book for how our thoughts and wishes can shape the world around us. One important idea is called the law of attraction. It's like a magnet. Positive thoughts attract positive things, and negative thoughts attract negative things. So, when you focus on what you want and truly believe you can have it, you start to bring it closer to you. It's like setting your internal compass in the right direction. Even the tiny building blocks of our world, the ones we can't even see, play a part. Quantum physics, a field of science that studies these tiny particles, tells us that our thoughts have energy. This energy can influence the world around us in ways we're just beginning to understand. It's like we're all connected to a giant web, and our thoughts are sending out little ripples of energy that can change things. And here's the amazing part. Our brains are like supercomputers that can learn and change. This is called neuroplasticity. When we repeatedly think and act in a certain way, our brains create new connections and pathways. It's like building a new road that leads us straight to our goals. So, if we practice positive thinking and focus on our wishes, our brains can actually rewire themselves for success. To really make our wishes come true, we need to do some spring cleaning in our minds. You know those negative thoughts that creep in? I'm not good enough. This is too hard. I'll never get what I want. These are like weeds in a garden, choking out the beautiful flowers that could be growing. We need to pull out those weeds and replace them with positive affirmations. It's like planting seeds of success in our minds. Sometimes, we might have old hurts or fears that are holding us back. These are like emotional blocks, hidden obstacles in our path. We need to face them with courage and kindness so they no longer have power over us. It's like finding a hidden treasure map that leads us to a brighter future. And forgiveness is key, both forgiving others and ourselves. It's like releasing heavy baggage that we've been carrying for too long. It frees us up to move forward with a lighter heart and a clearer mind. Once we've cleared out those mental blocks and planted positive seeds, it's time to set crystal clear intentions. Imagine you're ordering your favorite meal at a restaurant. If you're vague and just say, "I'll have something good," you might end up with a dish you don't even like. But if you specifically say, "I'd like grilled salmon with asparagus and a lemon vinaigrette dressing," you're much more likely to get exactly what you want. The same principle applies to our wishes. The more specific we are, the better the results. Think of it like creating a detailed map to your destination. Instead of just saying, "I want a better job," try something like, "I want a fulfilling career as a graphic designer, working in a collaborative team environment where I can utilize my creativity and make a positive impact." The more details you can add, the type of company, the salary range, the kind of projects you want to work on, the clearer the path becomes. One of the most powerful tools for setting intentions is visualization. Close your eyes and create a vivid mental picture of your desired reality. See yourself living your dream life, experiencing the emotions, and enjoying the results. Make it as real as possible, engaging all your senses. This isn't just daydreaming, it's a way to program your subconscious mind for success. It's like planting a seed in your mind and watering it with your imagination. To make it even more real, write down your intentions. Putting pen to paper solidifies your commitment and helps to focus your energy. You can create a wish list, a vision board, or simply write a detailed description of your desired outcome. Keep this somewhere you can see it regularly, as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. It's like creating a roadmap for your subconscious mind, guiding you towards your goals. Now, here's the important part. Setting intentions is just the first step. It's like planting the seed, but it won't grow without action. The universe responds to movement, to energy. When you take action towards your goals, you're sending a signal that you're serious about making your wishes come true. It's like turning up the volume on your desires, making them louder and clearer to the universe. Taking action doesn't mean you have to have all the answers or know every step of the way. It simply means taking the first step, even if it's a small one. It's like starting a journey with just a compass and a map. You might not know the exact route, but you know the general direction, and that's enough to get you started. The universe has a way of supporting those who are in motion. It's like a river that carries you along if you're willing to jump in and start swimming. As you take action, new opportunities and resources seem to magically appear. It's like the universe is saying, "I see you, I hear you, and I'm here to help." Of course, taking action can be easier said than done. Procrastination is a common hurdle. It's that voice in our heads that says, "I'll do it later," or "I'm not ready yet." But remember, there's never a perfect time to start. The best time is now. Even small steps, like making a phone call, sending an email, or doing some research, can create momentum and propel you forward. It's like lighting a small fire that can eventually grow into a roaring blaze. As you take action, remember the power of gratitude. Gratitude is like a powerful magnet, attracting more of what you appreciate into your life. When you focus on the good things, big and small, you raise your vibration and open yourself up to receive even more blessings. It's like tuning your radio to the right frequency to pick up the signals of abundance and joy. A simple way to cultivate gratitude is to keep a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be simple things like a sunny day, a delicious meal, a kind word from a friend, or even just the fact that you woke up this morning. This practice trains your brain to focus on the positive and helps you to appreciate the abundance that already exists in your life. It's like planting seeds of gratitude that will grow and blossom into a garden of joy. The journey towards your desires is not always a straight line. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns. But by cultivating gratitude, you learn to find joy in the journey itself, not just the destination. You celebrate small wins along the way, knowing that each step is bringing you closer to your dreams. It's like enjoying the scenery on a road trip, not just rushing to get to the final destination. Even with all the positivity and action in the world, doubt can still creep in. It's like a little voice whispering in your ear, "Are you sure you can do this?" Or, "What if it doesn't work out?" It's important to remember that doubt is a normal part of the process. Everyone experiences it at some point. It doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong or that your wishes are invalid. It's simply a sign that you're stretching beyond your comfort zone and venturing into new territory. The key is to not let doubt control you. Don't let it become a roadblock on your path to success. Acknowledge it, but don't dwell on it. It's like a passing cloud on a sunny day. It might block the sun for a moment, but it will eventually move on. Persistence is your greatest weapon against doubt. It's the unwavering belief in yourself and your dreams, even when things get tough. It's the refusal to give up, even when you face setbacks or obstacles. Remember, every successful person has encountered challenges along the way. It's how they deal with those challenges that sets them apart. When you encounter a setback, don't see it as a failure. Instead, reframe it as a learning opportunity. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? Or, how can I use this to grow stronger? It's like a detour on your journey. It might take you a little longer to reach your destination, but it might also lead you to unexpected treasures along the way. The overnight transformation you desire might not always happen in a literal 24-hour period, but it's often the culmination of small shifts in your mindset, your beliefs, and your actions. It's like a butterfly emerging from its chrysalis. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to let go of the old and accept the new. Small changes can create a ripple effect that leads to massive transformations over time. It's like a single pebble thrown into a pond, creating waves that spread outwards and affect the entire body of water. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions are like those pebbles, creating ripples of change in your life and in the world around you. You're not just a passive observer in this process. You're an active co-creator of your reality. You have the power to choose your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions. You have the power to shape your destiny. So accept that power, step into your role as co-creator, and watch as your desires unfold before your very eyes. The journey from desire to reality is a personal one, unique to each individual. But there are universal truths and principles that can guide you along the way. Remember that desire is the spark that ignites your passions and propels you towards your goals. It's a powerful force that can shape your life in extraordinary ways. Cultivate a positive relationship with your desires. See them as your allies, not your enemies. Nurture them with positive thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Clear out the mental clutter and emotional baggage that might be holding you back. Forgive yourself and others, and open your heart to the infinite possibilities that await you. Set clear intentions for what you want to manifest in your life. Be specific, visualize the details, and write them down. This will help you focus your energy and align your actions with your goals. Remember, taking action is crucial. The universe responds to movement, to energy. So take that first step, even if it's a small one. As you move forward, new opportunities and resources will appear, guiding you closer to your desires. Accept gratitude as a way of life. It's like a powerful magnet that attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. Be thankful for the good things, big and small, and watch as your life transforms in magical ways. Don't let doubt or setbacks discourage you. They are part of the journey, not roadblocks to your success. Learn from your experiences, grow stronger, and keep moving forward with unwavering persistence. Remember, the overnight transformation you desire is not about instant gratification. It's about shifts in your mindset, your beliefs, and your actions. It's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of the universe and allowing your desires to unfold in perfect timing. It's about becoming the co-creator of your own reality. You have the power within you to turn your desires into reality. You have the ability to create the life you've always dreamed of. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and never give up on your dreams. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. So start today. Take that first step and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Your desires are not just wishes. They are the seeds of your future reality.